This is a review of the Motorcraft water pump that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this water pump and my experience with this water pump in the past. Now, one of the first few things I do want to say that is that this water pump is made for your 2011 to 2014 Mustangs 3.7 liter V6. And not just that, but one of my favorite things about this water pump whenever it comes time to replacing it is that this water pump, it pretty much lasts pretty much a long time as compared to other water pumps out there. And the reason why I say so is because this water pump, the one I have right now, is also a Motorcraft water pump, and I had this for around 3 years now, and it lasted 3 years. Now before that, I had another water pump, which was a off-brand water pump, and that did not last long enough, and pretty much it went out after a year. So I would definitely recommend, if you're going to change your water pump, stay with the Motorcraft water pump, because Motorcraft water pumps, they all make high quality water pumps, and pretty much their OEM direct fit as compared to what you had on your car, especially for the Ford Mustangs series. Then you definitely need Motorcraft water pump, or any other Ford vehicle you own. Motorcraft is really a high quality brand, and pretty much these water pumps, they last long as you take care of it. Now, one of my most favorite things about this water pump is that it comes with everything you need. So you get your gaskets. You do have to use the sealants. Pretty much that's pretty much sold separately. Pretty much you have to like put the pretty much some things around it, the oil rings around it, and pretty much the grease and all that stuff. But yeah, it comes with the gaskets. It comes with the hoses as well too. These are the hoses that you use to replace it to your new one. And then we have this as well too. It comes with this as well. So you just pretty much have to go replace that one right over there. That's located right over there. And right over here is the main thing, the water pump. Now this water pump, like I told you guys, Motorcraft, it really makes high quality water pumps. And you could tell right off the bat, stainless steel quality, extremely high quality, has a good weight to it. It feels very nice. You could tell that the quality is very nice. I love the way how they built this water pump, and I do know for a fact that this water pump would definitely, last for another 3 to 4 years on average, as water pumps, they, usually have wear and tearing, they go out pretty much like 3 to 4 years, but it does the job, like how this one did the job for 3 years, and I have to go replace it again. But overall, I would definitely recommend the Motorcraft water pump. And you can see here it comes with the other gasket as well too that you put behind it towards over right there, and then one right over there. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the Motorcraft water pump because of the fact that it's extremely high quality. It's really durable. You want something that lasts long, and you want OEM quality, then I would definitely recommend Motorcraft, because it really is a, it's not as compared to other brands out there that pretty much they don't last as long as, the OEM quality, and OEM quality is always the best. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the Motorcraft water pump for your 2011 to 2014 3.7 liter V6 Mustangs.